Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70k subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. AmaZulu 1, Kaizer Chiefs 3. I'm joined by the only fan with a PhD. Me.
Stivo Grandmeauti.
Yes, my brother.
I'm not.
We want to game.
Game in Elimnati Meauti. I mean, 4 goals. A fully packed Moses Mabida.
Yes.
A sold out thriller.
Yes.
What is there to complain about? Meauti, first of all, let me congratulate Orlando. I mean, anyway, when no, you know this thing, when you start by congratulating, obviously the only thing that would come to mind would be Orlando Pirates, because when you congratulate, I agree we are used to winning. So obviously every time this word of congratulating comes, the last time we lost was somewhere last year. So, but I mean, per football calendar. No, I'm saying lost. But anyway, I don't mind if you want to come and I like it when people come and contest. Yeah. But anyway, Meauti, congratulations to Iwiza Kaizer Chiefs. And we all know why am I saying Iwiza Kaizer Chiefs. Tibo, let me start by I'm becoming, I don't know what am I becoming, but having the most beautiful wife does not mean we're going to have a beautiful home. Even with football,
yes,
playing the most beautiful and entertaining football doesn't mean that you'll collect maximum points.
Yes.
I know that especially from Kaizer Chiefs fans who understand football, they might be disappointed that they won, of which is a fact that they won,
yes,
but they were not playing good football overall.
Yes.
But one thing I can tell you, like I'm saying, it doesn't mean
exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I mean, Kaizer Chiefs was playing 4-4-2. The typical, the original formation of football, a very flat-footed one. But one thing I can tell you, because remember, Nabi is starting to cook, chopping the onions, tamati and stuff. You must understand, this guy, you cannot compare him to the likes of Jose Rivero, because he's now starting. I mean, this is second game of the league, so you can understand. Jose Rivero, they are coming to their third year as per football calendar.
Yes.
So to be demanding so much from a child that is starting to walk,
it's a lot.
It's a lot. I appreciate the fact that Kaizer Chiefs, for the long time, they've got a winner.
Yes.
That's the most important thing. When you win games that are not playing well, it's very important, especially when you are facing a final before the final on Saturday. Remember, at the back of their mind, they are thinking of the hammering that they once experienced in FNB. 5-0. It's not a child's play. Obviously, they are going through a lot. They need confidence going into that game.
Yes.
And at least they got the maximum points of winning that today's game. But let's get into it, our team. A very important player in Serino. He makes the whole team tick. There's a lack of confidence, but it's growing gradually when it comes to their pivot number 6, Mart. I think Kaizer Chiefs supporters should give Mart a break. Understand that you are coming from a point of not winning. So you're trying to build confidence and stuff. So allow the boy to grow with time.
Yes.
Well, today I'm more or less analysis, but more of an encouragement to Iwiza Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, Iwiza Kaizer Chiefs, when they are winning, they make the job easier, even for the Minister of Finance. I mean,
how?
Rand Yakupuga Meauti. I mean, no, that's a fact. That's a fact. It's not something to argue about. I mean, if a team it can fill stadium during the week,
says
Moses
a lot.
Mabida
says a lot.
Sold that thriller during the week. But anyway, we don't want to go there. Well, what they've mastered Iwiza Kaizer Chiefs is to play off the ball. When you're a good coach, before you start anything, start mastering off the ball movement, because every time stadium. Every time they would overload the side ball, and then Kuri, they can all move at the same time, same rhythm from striker to defense.
Yes.
And what they do best, they start defending from the front line, from the front three. You understand? They add numbers when you initialize play. How they add numbers. But defender got the striker stubborn, making it easy for the last 4-3 yabona. 4-3-3. Kurba 4-3-3 when they have a defender. So by the last 4, next they just keep shape with they don't work hard, if I may rightfully say. They work smart because they just keep the shape when they are off the ball. And what they've mastered again is to make sure that every time they have the ball, they utilize it into a goal.
Yes.
They didn't have much of the ball, but every time they had the ball, they could break and score. I mean, who scores 3 goals in 3 minutes? I mean, in the first 15 minutes.
Yes.
It doesn't happen. Even us who plays good football, even the likes of Sundowns, it hardly happens that a team scores 3 goals in 15 minutes. So that alone should be, when you're a team, work within your strength.
Yes.
You are not used to playing good football and stuff. But every time if you've got that 3 minutes, 5 minutes of playing good football, play it and use it to your advantage and score. But Sereno is a class of his own. I don't want to overemphasize it because if I was talking about Patrick Maswanganyi, people will be saying, hey, because we love Pirates and stuff.
Hey.
It's a special key to be number 10. So what Sereno gives you, lefting. This is what I always talk about. How lefting, right. Go to your left and then cut into your right. That's what he does. He goes to the left, knowing exactly.
Yes.
He goes to his left. He knows Raunabatu in his left. But his right eye on the right, but he invites them, goes to the left. Because it's motion, it's science. Every time you go to the left, if I go to your right, obviously you'll move to the other direction. And that's what he does. And the technique that he does well. When you go to this side, look, goalkeeper will move. When the goalkeeper moves, this is the difference, and I'll explain to you. Goalkeeper what he does, he places remember when you place the ball, you're opening the pala iba wider than how shooter fail. What he does, and the goalkeeper he just places it with height. There's a difference when you place the ball with height over how we place it. How we place it with height, you're opening the pal or wamuhenga. This is what in the second half Dupreez got the same thing, got the same chance. Defender ball, but what he did, goalkeeper naturally hanyan. Instead of him making it easy, hang the goalkeeper again. You know what he did? Ushapa ball fast, and how we shapa fast. It's easy for the defender to defend because defender can come out. So how only defender mo hang the ball. Uska isa class because our isa class we isa within reach of the defender.
True.
Remember, tonto dribble the defender close to you, ka pass or pass a net. But only more something that they were missing out. Instead of playing Haba Kenya, this boy, the young man, Mfundo.
Yes.
O spreader wide.
Yes.
Every time, remember how pasamutu. You chance measure height ya high. Pasamutu is the same as parking a car. Omupasa according to their height, according to their strength and speed. Haki pasa munapule saling, hoba haki pasa Dupreez or Antoine Villagas. It won't be the same. I have to consider the height. I have to consider the pace. I have to consider the distance between Yena, leaders, defender. But they passed him around to 3 to 4 passes that were wrong. But Honalimo Jonong Atola pass A1. Uto from the left to Kata to the right. Ushapa $1 million pass, diagonal pass. Bona yetang. We pass go Saile. Saile is alone. He's a winger. He's about to shine. Bona Saile yetang. Ukhutlela mrao. He goes back. Utwala bolelo bumper, it jumper le. That was football delinquency at its highest. I'm sorry. That alone It really showed. I don't know. I mean, look at Nichurena Meauti. Every time I pass there, go N12. Yeah, when I feel demotivated, I just look at that structure, Nichurena, Carbona pitch, the beauty, the class, and for a player that a training da, I thought trepa bolo. At this level, you can alone. Why can't I find Villa Umshapaka pass or China? China, what it does, I mean, bolo el haita kodim. You must make sure bump ya yona kala. You are there, you and the bump. Haita, that's why when I'm from the Vulagas, Ashapile, that ZCC trap, Relebule Mufuken, Oshapa, that other part. That's why you stand. Oscar to a bolo a bumpe. How it will a bumper, a jumper low.
Unacceptable.
No, that's when I felt that is very. I felt robbed. Because that's when I checked the price of my ticket, Kasheba, the football that I'm watching. No, that was robbery. That was robbery alone. Like I was so disturbed. But anyway, another key element. Velimuto was not here. He was not playing. You are having a goalkeeper. What happened? I'll always give you the root cause of things. This is where they lost the game. The first 15 minutes to 20 minutes. You are playing a new goalkeeper who's not familiar with playing. He loses confidence. Not to say he's not good.
Yes.
He doesn't have confidence.
Yes.
In the first 15 minutes, park the train, park the bus.
Yes.
So that the goalkeeper regains confidence as you play.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Not only Kaizer Chiefs, but if you play any opponent, respect that opponent.
Yes.
Especially, you know that your goalkeeper is Ntsasa and everything. So give him time. More protecting for the first 15 minutes, again confidence. By so doing, he's gaining confidence and momentum. After that 15-20 minutes, that's when you start playing. Because remember, the thing that caused that goal is because now they were trying to attack. Ha game ikala. They were supposed to build momentum, but gain no confidence. So the goalkeeper Usansana Amakataki a sold that Moses Mabida.
Yes.
You understand? Usansana Makataki Ntutadi Buona Wabatiba Makos. No, understand that during the week. So Lunale Metang Lemokenisa pressure during that time.
Yes.
That's what led to this 3 minutes. Okasukoreba took 15 minutes. I mean, they are a good team. But because of that, they lost this game. But they came up very well. I mean, teams will suffer here.
Yeah.
But Bona Hurueta Lang. Their goalkeeper, Kaizer Chiefs. I think Kaizer Chiefs in a very long time because now they analyze a present continuous tense. They've got a goalkeeper.
Yeah.
They've got a goalkeeper.
Yes.
But again, Nabi is cooking very well. He's a winner, and they've collected maximum points. So at the end of the day, but win it. That's what matters a lot. But I think Christian Saile, they are not playing him within his strength. They shouldn't play him as a winger. When you're a winger, you need someone who most wingers, they are not of the biggest physique. I always said.
Yes.
They are more skillful because when you play as a winger, remember udlala ko lining. How udlala ko lining, it means unalo 180 degrees.
Yes.
Give mathematics. Agrike line, 180. But how udlala ko maharing, unalo 360. So how udlala ko 180, it means because you've got half the space compared to the it means you must be more skillful lining because what the defender, they're going to use
the line.
Remember how 90 180 kitla ko side how sana 180 unale half your 180. It means you must be more skillful, and then if you are not skillful, you'll go back. Every time you'll go back. So Saile, they are not playing him within his strength. And again, I felt they should have left Chivaviro to play as a number 9. And then Bakenya Dupree, Baskam Jadisa as a number 9. Bam Jadisa as more of a winger who will cut inside and play that false 9.
Yes.
You understand? So, but at the end of the day, I think they were more concerned about the game that they had to play. Sunday. And if you were to ask me, when you play against Sundowns, if it was up to me, they will break you if you want to attack them that from the front. analyze them, especially from the first 15 minutes, first 20 minutes. Don't go to them because Ronwen William after a triangle, I'll withdraw, but break so quick momping.
Yes.
And yet you are not used to playing also clicky. This team, Sundowns is already. In fact, Oscar Sebedisa pride. Work within your strength. Kaizer Chiefs cannot play better football than Sundowns in terms of play. You understand? But leave them to play there in their half. Kenya Dupree, Kenya Pace, Kenya Chivaviro. You'll punish them. And one thing they've mastered, Oshebe Kaizer Chiefs, what they play, I need to mention this. They are not overdoing things. This is what Nabi does well. The only person who overdoes anything and is allowed, technical room, PhDI. The only person who's allowed, he can hold, he can do anything with the ball. But the rest is to simplify football, trap pass.
Yes.
They were told the person who plays the orchestra is Serino. Luna, just do the basics for now, so that after we've mastered the basics, as individuals. But if we've mastered the shape, and mastered how to protect the ball and keep the ball, then the rest will come as time progresses. But anyway, congratulations to Jessica Mtaung.
Why else she out of everyone? Why else she out of everyone? Okay.
And I'm not apologetic.
Quick prediction for Mamelodi Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs.
I want to keep it. What do we predict? Can I not predict this one?
Okay. Man of the match today?
Man of the match, I'll give it to the goalkeeper.
Thank you.
Tango.
Sorry.